Hey everyone, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. Now, I want to give you guys some very important crypto news as it relates to Bitcoin, all right? Because recently we saw Bitcoin hit $138,070 coming off of Binance.us. So this is going to be some very fascinating information to break down for you guys, especially with the surge that Bitcoin is on currently. I'm going to get you guys on your way, make it short and sweet, but we're going to touch on this news article because this is kind of important to kind of put in perspective and see what actually might be going on. So absolutely smash that like button. Do not be scared to follow us on Twitter as well. The handle's in the bottom left, as well as subscribing to the channel here on YouTube. Never miss a beat. But let's get down into it, guys. And this has been the breaking news, basically, as we've seen Bitcoin kind of get into weird territory, right? We all know about what's going on about a week ago, a little less than a week ago, Bitcoin getting in with BlackRock, filing an application for a Bitcoin spot ETF, okay? But now we've seen essentially with the pausing of the interest rates, as well as some other macro trends across the board, we've seen Bitcoin surge over $28,000, and that is actually what it is at, guys, right at the time of this recording. So this $138,000 is this spike that you can see right here on Binance.us on the chart. So this is what's going to be fascinating to come about when we talk about why actually this has happened. And, you know, we've seen basically from a popular Twitter account, Mike Burgersberg, write in, you know, LOL, Bitcoin hit 138,070 on Binance US a little bit ago. Is everything okay over there, CZ? So, you know, CZ has his hands full with the regulatory scrutiny that's coming down on him, as well as some other affairs that he's dealing with. But just to add to the fold, just seeing Bitcoin absolutely be completely you know, handled in this regard with this glitch, if you will. If it is a glitch, then that is something that definitely is going to add some stress to his plate. For those of anybody, if I'd be curious to know if anybody was able to cash out at these levels. You know, on Binance.us, it's a very intricate trading platform. You know, there might be some ways to do some triggers. I'm curious if there was some, you know, how they handle bot activity, if anybody was able to take advantage of this glitch and profit from it. I'm sure there will be some stuff go down on Twitter or in news down the road where people talk about stories of that. But basically what we've seen is none of Binance or CZ has responded to the anomaly that we've seen with Bitcoin's price. Okay, so this is just speculation, guys. And now we are seeing basically it's probably an internal data glitch, as you would all assume. Okay, but this is what we've seen, where we've seen Binance US trading volumes plummet since the SEC's clampdown on that platform, right? I got to be full disclosure. I do have a Binance.us trading account. I have since liquidated a lot of my positions into different accounts and wallets across the board, not necessarily just because of my feelings against Binance. I've had extreme success in opportunity, and I've really enjoyed using that platform. But located here in the United States, I got to just protect what's best for me and get into a more, you know, less regulated wallet, if you will, for what I'm going to keep on exchanges, right? So we all know how exchanges work, not your keys, not your crypto, but then in there is some ways that you need a necessary exchange, okay? But furthermore, let's get into what actually is happening, because now you're seeing the crypto market basically seeing Binance.us's market share plummet as well. All right, so that's what's interesting to note. And if this basic theory that we've seen with this price anomaly, if that had anything to do with the insufficient liquidity, you know, that is something where, you know, it isn't a glitch. And this could be something more serious as we get into, you know, these clampdowns that we're seeing against exchanges. Okay, so furthermore, as I said, the volume is decreasing with Binance.us. Okay, and worried about asset freezes. There's a lot of worries within the SEC and what they're doing to Binance.us. Okay, but it is still the king of the sea when it comes to exchanges, right? Binance is the mothership. And they have that market dominance across the globe, but that is at Binance, right? Not Binance.us. So what the United States chooses to do in terms of regulation is yet to be determined, but they are doing an onslaught against some of the United States-based exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about this price anomaly? Was it an internal glitch, or is it kind of a breadcrumb trail of something more that could be going on behind the scenes? I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say, but I want to thank you guys for stopping by, watching this video, and absolutely consider subscribing on your way out. But I'll thank you once more, and we'll see you all in the next video.